it went good in the end.
Well, it did feels good?
It feels good, but the concern was the misfiring. Bit of a misfire issue. We changed the airflow meter. Yep. I think we just got rid of the rest of the crap that's in it, and you saw the rest of it.
Now she'll be apples. Alright, let's see what you got, yeah? But that was just the warm-up, so you're going to get better times than that during today.
Well, hopefully. Hopefully some people can inspire me.
Inspire you? No, well, I'm not driving, so I don't think you're going to get much inspiration.
Yeah, I like to see you turn off in the sand pit.
Inspiration, how to end up in a sand trap. $116.0.
What's your PB at the moment? A 115.4, but we can go better than that.
So
that was on Saturday.
115.4 is your PB, and on your out lap, your first lap of the day, you got a 116.0.
Yeah. So
it's not very bad. It's pretty good.
That's braking early as well.
You bumped in my beamer, bumped in my own shit. I'm focused, they stuck on that dough shit. Living for that, your religion is bro shit. I can spin that on the Mac with a long clip, flying that beam, but you had in that focus. My nigga just focus, I'm trying.
Explain to us.
What does the gold do?
It's aluminium foil.
Okay.
Oh, you got from my local IGA.
Is that an air intake?
Yeah, but it's facing downwards.
Oh, okay. Get all the clean air from underneath.
Yeah.
What's the brace on the top? What does that do?
Also drifting.
Oh, it's for drifting. Yeah. Oh, I think I saw that on a Current Affair before.
Yeah.
Looked any further under the bonnet, we would have seen strut braces across the top of the engine, just to make it a bit firmer, a bit stiffer.
So here for one thing and one thing only?
Yes, he would have been drifting.
So that helps with the drift, helps initiate the drift.
Yeah.
Who pilots this car?
Yeah, my dad drives that actually.
Your dad drives it?
Yeah, he has a tofu store. It's around Laguna.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just across from the KFC. So if you guys ever need some tofu in the area, just let us know. And sometimes if he's feeling nice, we'll fry it with the foil. So
oh, with the foil, you put the tofu in the foil.
Yeah.
Thanks for showing us your Hyundai.
Yeah, no worries. Oh, it's a Kia, by the way.
Oh, it's a Kia. And here we have the lovely mother of Alessandro Martina. Are you scared?
Very nervous.
You look very scared.
Yes,
why are you nervous?
I am. I'm hiding my nerves.
Well, you're not doing very well at hiding them, I must be honest.
Why? What do you mean?
You're the only one up here on the wall watching them.
Watch and quiet.
Alright.
Keep quiet.
Why don't you want to wave to him?
Because he's driving. I don't want him to look.
Concentrating?
Yes. Don't wave. He cracked.
Oh, that's it. No, he's going off the track. He's going off.
So sharp.
Oh, he didn't brake. He didn't brake.
Sempre, não, sempre. Não, essa aí é legal. Sempre. Então tem que dançar, dançando.
Yo! Big Shaq, the one and only. Man's not hot. Never hot. Skra! Skitty cat cat. Boom! 2 + 2 is 4. -1, that's 3. Quick maths. Everyday man's on the block. Smoke trees. See your girl in the park. That girl was a uckers. When the thing went quack, quack, quack. You man was ducked. Hold tight, that's me. My brother, he's got a pumpy. Big thing. Hold tight, my man. My guy, he's got a frisbee. I trap on the phone. Moving out cornflakes. Rice Krispies. Hold tight, my girl with me. On the road doing 10 toes. Like my toes. You man fought, I froze.
What happened to your car?
It's broken. Either the fuel pump's or there's no power to it, and the drive shaft as well. So.
But you had a good day before that.
We had a great day
happened.
with the UNA boys. They put on a great track day. It was very entertaining.
Look at him go. What a good guy. What a good guy.
Couldn't speak higher of the UNA boys.
Look at him go.
Couldn't speak higher of them.
He knows exactly what to say. You, how did you go, Mr. Arabia 2018?
No, pretty good. We broke our car. It's sitting up there at the moment.
What a story, Mark.
Pretty upsetting.
Big shot of boots without a shirt on.
But hey, look.
Where is he? Oh, there he is. A bit sad for the MJC racing boys.
Yeah, sad for but you know, back to the drawing board. Bigger, better things next one.
You're quicker than Elmo, aren't you?
No.
Oh, you're slower. With the K24, you're slower.
No, we just had a few issues to break it in.
Back to the drawing board.
Back to the drawing board. You'll be right, guys.
It's because we didn't have the splitter on today.
Hold on.
Oh, he's another culprit. What's happening?
The
culprit's the guy that's done 10% of the work.
Yeah, no, wait. I thought you guys in total had only done 10% of the work, because like you bought a car that was already done.
I tell a man's not hot. I tell a man's not hot. The girl told me take off your jacket. I said, babes, man's not hot, never hot. I tell a man's not hot, never hot. I tell a man's not hot, never hot. The girl told me take off your jacket. I said, babes, man's not hot, never hot. I tell a man's not hot. I tell a man's not hot. The girl told me take off your jacket. I said, babes, man's not hot, never hot.
How's your car going?
Car's going good. No issues so far.
No issues so far, and it's a Euro.
Yeah, that's it. Never had any issues.
All the little Hondas seem to be breaking though.
Once upon a time, this car, when me and Dad were racing it, was doing up to 8 sessions a day. Never had a single issue. Look at all the JDM.
Nah, it's because they're just such good cars. You know, they've already done what they need to do. Now they're going home. So you need to keep going until you get a PB.
They all beat their lap times, I hear.
Yeah, that's exactly what it was.
I don't think so.
But are you having a good day?
Yeah, having a great day. Awesome to be back out on the track. I've come within 4/10 of my best time, so I'm hoping to try and beat it, but I'm not going to push it.
And I mean, you want to drive home.
And I want to get it home.
Exactly right. All right, we'll see you around.
The ting goes and a boom boom. You done know. I tell a man's not hot, man's not. I tell a man's not hot, never hot. The girl told me take off your jacket. I said, babes, man's not hot, never hot.
Oh, Honda! It's got a V18.
I tell a man's not hot. I tell a man's not hot, never hot. The girl told me take off your jacket. I said, babes, man's not hot.